They say, we will own nothing and be happy. I'd rather have rows of apple trees and be tired. But this is where the rows of the trees are going to start. It'll be 40 feet apart. No trees yet. No fences. Just a vision. Stacked agriculture, heirloom apples, miniature cattle. We're starting from scratch. This is Thatcher Forest Farm. Come see how we built it.